Here it says that the heights of fathers and their sons were measured in inches and represented in the scatter plot shown below. Find the rank correlation. So now this is important. Rank means now you cannot use Carl Pearson's rule method, but you need to use Spearman's rank correlation. So you have to use his method to find the correlation coefficient between heights and the of the fathers and sons. So which means father's height is represented in x and son's height in y. So now you need to make a table. So if I make a table here, so x and y, so you have here 65, 67, another point which is 66, 68, then you have 67, 68, then you have 67, 65, then you have 68, 72, then you have 69, 72, 70, 69, and finally 72, 71. So for rank, the word itself tells you that you need to rank the values. So let's say this is r of x. So which one is the highest? So 72 is the highest, right? So which means position 1. Then comes 72. 72, the next is 70, which is rank 2. Rank 3 is 69. Then rank 4 is 68. Now in case of rank 5, we have two values here, 67, 67. So actually this should be rank 5 and 6. But since they are same, you need to distribute this. So how do you distribute? You just have to find the mean. So 5 plus 6 divided by 2, which is 5.5. So you need to give to both. So 5.5, 5.5. Then 5 and 6 is gone. Next is 7. Then you write rank 5. So you're done with rank x. Now you need to do with rank y. So you have to compare the y variable. So highest is 72, but again you have 272. Actually this should be 1 and 2, right? But since 1 and 2 has the same value, the position should be distributed. So 1 plus 2 divided by 2. Why are you dividing by 2? Because there are two items, okay? So 3 over 2 is 1.5. So you need to give 1.5, 1.5. So 1, 2 is gone. Next number will be getting 3, third position. Then 71, then less is 69, fourth. Then you have 68, 68. So actually this should be position 5 and 6. But since like they have the same value, so 5 plus 6 divided by 2 is 5.5 and 5.5. And next is next highest is 67. So 7th position. Then 65 is 8th position. So then you need to find your value D. So D is difference. So rank x minus rank y. So 8 minus 7 is 1. 7 minus 5.5 is 1.5. Then 5.5 minus 5.5 is 0. 5.5 minus 8 is negative 2.5. So that's how you need to subtract. Okay, so now to check whether you are correct or not, you add all the values of D. So find summation of D. It has to be 0. So when you add all of this, I'm getting 0. So which means I'm correct. Okay. So what we need is D square. D square. So 1 square is 1. Then you have 2.25. 0, 6.25, 6.25, 2.25, 4, 4. So add this, you are going to get 26. So according to the formula of Spearman's formula says that R is equal to 1 minus 6 summation of D over n cube minus n. Now since here there is, so this is Spearman's rank correlation formula. However, there are repeating values. So for repeating values, you need a correction factor. So correction factor represents as CF. So now your formula is R equals to 1 minus 6 times summation of D plus correction factor divided by n cube minus n. Now how do you find correction factor? Correction factor is summation of m cube minus m over 12. Now what is m? M is repeating values, number of frequency of repeating values. So your m is, for now here, 67 repeated twice, so you just have to get the counting. Then 68 repeated twice, then 72 repeated twice. So you can find the correction factor, which is, so m cube, so m is 2, so 2 cube minus 2. So what does this mean? Summation means add, right? Again m value is 2, so 2 cube minus 2. Again you add with, you have another m value, that is again 2, so 2 cube minus 2 divided by 12. So get this value from your calculator, you will be getting 1.5. So this you can replace in the formulas. R equals to 1 minus 6 times summation of, D square. So summation of D square is 26, then plus CF is 1.5 divided by n. N is number of items, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 number of items, so 8 cube minus 8. So first try to find what is 6 times, bracket open, 26 plus 1.5, so it's 165 divided by 8 cube minus 8 is 504. So put the fraction in bracket and directly put the values, you are getting 0.67. So since this is more than 5 but less than 7, so it is moderate. Sign is positive, so positive moderate correlation. So this is how you use Spearman's correlation coefficient. So just remember, if it is repeating, you need to put correction factor. If it is not repeating, then just end it till here. So if you understood, you can try solving this question, because this question also is asking to evaluate through rank correlation.